Programming is everywhere. It is in your phone. It is in your car. It is even in your toaster. Learning to code is like getting a superpower. You can make computers do amazing things. Many people think coding is hard, but it's not as scary as it seems. Anyone can learn to code. All you need is patience and practice. Coding is like learning a new language. Once you know the basics, you can create anything. At its core, programming is about giving instructions to a computer. Imagine telling a robot what to do, step by step. That is what programming is all about. You write code to tell the computer what actions to perform. These instructions form the building blocks of software, websites, and all sorts of digital wonders. With each line of code, you're shaping the digital world around you. It is like building a Lego castle brick by brick. Think of variables like boxes where you store information. These boxes hold different types of data, such as numbers, words, or even lists of items. For instance, you can create a variable called name and store your name in it. Later, you can use this variable to display your name or use it in other parts of your program. Imagine having to repeat the same task over and over again. That would be tedious. Loops come to the rescue by allowing you to repeat a block of code multiple times. Let's say you want to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Instead of writing 10 separate print statements, you can use a loop to do it efficiently. Loops save you time and effort. Section 5. Making decisions with conditionals. Computers aren't very smart on their own. They need clear instructions on what to do in different situations. That's where conditionals come in. They let your program make decisions based on certain conditions. For example, you can write code that checks if a number is greater than 10. If it is, the program might print a message. If not, it can do something else. Section 6. Python, a beginner-friendly language. There are many programming languages out there, each with its strengths. Python is an excellent choice for beginners. It is known for its clear syntax, which resembles plain English. Python is like learning to ride a bicycle with training wheels. It provides a smooth and enjoyable coding experience. Many resources and a supportive community make it easy to learn and master. Section 7. Resources for your coding journey. The internet is a treasure trove of resources for aspiring programmers. Websites like Codecademy, Khan Academy, and Free Code Camp offer interactive coding tutorials. These platforms make learning fun and engaging. Don't underestimate the power of books. Python Crash Course and Automate the Boring Stuff with Python are excellent resources for beginners. They provide a structured approach to learning Python and its applications. Section 8. Embrace the mistakes and keep learning. Every programmer from novice to expert makes mistakes. It's an integral part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and yes, even break things. Each error is an opportunity to learn and improve. The key is to embrace these mistakes, understand why they occurred, and find solutions. Section 9. Conclusion. Your coding adventure awaits. Learning to code is a journey of discovery and creativity. It empowers you to shape the digital world, build amazing things, and bring your ideas to life. Remember, anyone can learn to code with the right mindset, dedication, and a willingness to embrace the challenges along the way. So take that first step. Dive into the world of programming. You might be surprised at what you can achieve.